Hi everyone and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I am here with some awesomeness. I am here to talk about the really hot Kroger 4-day. It's not a 2-day, it's a 4-day. It's about time, y'all, that we got a 4-day sale. So we don't have only 2 days to do it. We actually have Friday through Monday because of Labor Day. And I'm just really happy about that. I'm so glad that Kroger gave us 4 days. So yeah, some really good, tons of them, tons of digital deals. I'm just going to walk you through all of them. If there's a coupon, I will tell you all about that. Because as I've explained over and over and over and over and over and over, you can use a manufacturer coupon with these because these ring up as a store coupon. Now, just a disclaimer, if a deal doesn't work for you because your store's not informed or because, I don't know, or because something doesn't work for you, I would please ask you, don't blame me for it. I actually had someone last week tell me, like, you really should be checking this out for yourself. You shouldn't just be posting these deals. Well, you all should know that I would never post a deal that was not, like, okay per Kroger's policy. I went to corporate, and corporate said it was fine to stack a store coupon and manufacturer coupon. I actually did an entire video showing you guys that email, so you should check that out if you haven't already. Because I'm not just making that up. But Kroger made a new policy change that your store really can do whatever they want. So maybe your store doesn't care what corporate told me and they won't let you do it. But that's not my fault. So I went to corporate and got their answer. But, it's not really my fault. And I'm sorry for that if that's annoying. I don't ever mean to be rude, but I don't know. It's not my fault if something doesn't work out. And I promise you and assure you that I do check into all the deals. That's not a problem. So, yeah, if you need more clarification, that video is down there. It's called Let's Chat About 5X Digital Coupons. So, yeah, now we're going to flip over to the screen. I'm going to show you guys the digital deals for this week. 15 digitals here. First up, we have a $4.99 digital for a Bakery Fresh Goodness pudding cake. So, $4.99. That could be good for cookouts and stuff. This is probably one of the best. Save an extra 20% off of home merchandise. So, it works on home and apparel. Excludes all this stuff, but home and apparel, and it shows backpacks. So does that mean school stuff? But home items and apparel. Now, my Kroger doesn't sell apparel except for like Ohio State merchandise, but if you have a Kroger marketplace store, you could really snag some just insane stuff there if you have a Kroger marketplace because they have lots of clothes that are on sale and stuff. So get an extra 20% off will be amazing. But this does work on home items like housewares and stuff. So go over there and get those. Kroger always does really good deals on housewares. I always really luck out good at Christmas over there. Because they have like kitchen appliances and stuff. They just do some of the best deals on them. Okay, so we have $1.49 for some craft singles. That's an awesome price. We have 99 cents for Kroger facial cleansing wipes. I don't honestly believe that's a bad deal at all, honestly. Because, we don't really see too many deals on cleansing wipes. I think $1 is a good deal if you use cleansing wipes. So that's pretty good. This is definitely good. 50 cents in any Lara bar. That's insane. I don't believe we have any coupons I know of. If we do, somebody let me know. But if you have a coupon, hey, use it. Utilize it. We have $1.49 for the 3 packs of chapstick. I believe these are regularly $2.99, so like half off. That's like 50 cents a chapstick. Not too shabby there. Really not bad. Lots more. We have $2.99 for the Smithfield's bacon. Epic deal there. All right, so the Tyson chicken is $3.99. I know Kelsey Be Safe said she found some coupons, like a digital. I don't have any other digitals, but if you do, that'd be great. $1.99 for the Ballpark Franks. We got 99 cents for some Mio. This is one of the best deals in the whole ad. 50 cents on the Betty Crocker cake or brownie mix. Like, you can't beat that. It's a great price. Especially this time of year. That usually doesn't come around until like baking season. 99 cents for French's mustard. That one I don't think that's, that might be bigger than usual. I don't know. Frank's hot sauce, 99 cents. And then the Kingsford charcoal is $5.99. K-Pool Manter here on YouTube commented and told me they found $2 peelies. If you have the peelies, you get these for $3.99, which that would be epic right there. That would be epic. So if you can do that, get it. So yeah, that's our sale. Not really any, except the charcoal. There's not any coupon matchups, but just good deals here. So yeah, be sure to check out my other Kroger videos for this week, because like I said, there are tons of deals over there this week. I found 5 new freebies, guys. 5. So I would honestly go watch those if you haven't already. Be sure to come back all weekend. Tomorrow there will be a Kroger Cheap Meals video up. Saturday we will have the Kroger ad preview for the new upcoming sale. And then Sunday we're going to kick off a new series about Kroger Click List. We're going to go through the special Click List and pick up and delivery coupons and all that fun stuff. And I'm excited to bring that to the table because I think a lot of you will really enjoy the Click List exclusive stuff because a lot of you do Click List. So yeah, that's all that I have for now. I hope y'all enjoyed, and thank you so much for watching.